All right, we're in lesson 1, learn 3. So I'm going to go into word core. Lesson 1, learn 3 is working with documents. If you haven't done this one already, click on the learn button. If you've done it and you need to make corrections, click on the practice button. When prompted, go ahead and click continue and wait for it to load. So we have 4 steps in this one. I'm going to go ahead and mark all of mine, or uncheck mark as answered on all of mine so I can start fresh. The very first thing it asks you to do is create a new blank document. So at this point you should know how to go to File and New and double click blank document to open that up. We're going to click mark as answered and then hit next. Step 2, use a pre-designed template. Click the File tab and click New. So File and New. And then in the search field, type agendas and press enter. So I'll type agendas, hit the enter key, and it's going to search through all of these templates to see what will fit that search criteria. It says, notice how in addition to displaying a variety of agenda templates, Word displays an additional list at the right where you can narrow the search. So step 2 says in the category list, click on business. So if I go up to the top here, there it says business. If I click on that, it's going to highlight all of the ones that have a tag for business. Step 3, in the category list, click agendas right here. I'm going to click on that, and there's my, it's now finding documents that have both agendas and business in their tags. Step 4, in the category list, click attendance. It's all the way down here. I'm going to click attendance. So let's say at this point you realize you don't want the agendas category and you want to return to the previous screen. In this case, all you need to do is remove the search criteria from the category list. That's right here. So I have those 3 search criteria selected. Point the mouse cursor to the right of the agendas category to display a close button. You can see it shows up that little X next to each one of those if I hover my mouse over them. So we want to click the close button to remove the agendas category from the list. So there's agendas, there's the close button. If I click on that, it's going to take that search criteria out. And then it says click the agenda template and click create. So I only have 3 templates here and only one of them says agenda. So I'm going to click that and then I will click on create. And there's my agenda. Now I'm going to select mark as answered and go to the next one. Step 3, in most cases when you create a new document using a template, the template includes some areas called fields that have been set up to assist you with what information to enter in that location. For instance, in the example we show here, in the text, meeting title is a field that has been set up to allow you to enter whatever you want to appear in the final agenda. So they're talking about this right here where it says meeting title. Our one step for this is click in the meeting title box and type soccer coach Pee Wee League. So right here where it says meeting title, if I click in that, it's going to highlight it. All I have to do is type over it, soccer coach Pee Wee League. And then I will select marked as answered and next. And then it asks me to close the document without saving changes. So I could go to File and Close. And it says the Word file will be closed without saving. Do you want to continue? I do, so I will say yes. And then I will select marked as answered. I'm going to close this one out as well. And then show results. And there we go. Exit out. Go back to JasperActive.